was an average of 1,100 lightning strikes every hour during the peak of the storms that rolled through the metro over the last 24 hours. For some people, though, that lightning came too close for comfort.
It was like a bomb went off.
Dustin Loomis was sitting at home last night playing video games when lightning struck the fourplex he lives at in Lee Summit.
There was a very large flash that went around with it, and you heard the thunder. I mean, there was no question what took place.
Loomis was shaken, but he went on about his evening. It wasn't until an hour later he realized two of the units next to his were on fire.
I mean, there was no evidence here. I guess we have a firewall or something that protected my place.
Lee Summit firefighters say the fire started in the first floor utility rooms and traveled up a wall that the two units share.
There was no flames, but there was a whole lot of smoke coming out of the chimney and just off of the roof, it appeared.
9 hours later in Overland Park, fire crews responded to a home on Bradshaw that was also hit by lightning. Video from the department shows little damage with the exception of the home's electrical system. Firefighters say the charred electrical outlets and light switches indicate that the lightning likely traveled through the home's wiring. Fortunately, no one was hurt.
Been here my whole life.
For Loomis, he's holding on to the ode saying, lightning never strikes the same place twice.
It's never happened to me before. Hopefully it doesn't again.
Now, Loomis had his fourth neighbor's unit. They were not damaged. We're told the people in Overland Park are staying with friends and family until it's safe for them to return home. Zach Summers, Fox 4 News.